Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick curd rice. This comforting dish is incredibly easy and perfect for a light meal or a side. We'll start by gathering just a few basic ingredients you likely already have on hand. The key is using cooled, cooked rice, which helps achieve the perfect creamy texture. Let's get started with our simple steps. Now, let's create the creamy base for our curd rice. Take your cooled, cooked rice and gently mix it with approximately 1 cup of plain, unsweetened yogurt. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavors. Stir everything together until the rice is evenly coated and the mixture is smooth. If you prefer a looser consistency, a tablespoon or 2 of milk works wonders. Next, we'll add a burst of flavor with a quick tempering. Heat about 1 tablespoon of oil in a small pan. Once hot, add a 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them pop. Then, quickly stir in a pinch of asafoetida, a few fresh curry leaves, and 1 dried red chili for a delightful aroma. This step takes only about 30 seconds, so be ready to move quickly. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Carefully pour the hot, aromatic tempering mixture directly over your creamy curd rice. Give it a gentle stir to distribute those wonderful flavors. For a beautiful presentation and an extra layer of taste, garnish with some fresh chopped cilantro or a sprinkle of vibrant pomegranate seeds. Your delicious and quick curd rice is now ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.